Yo, what is good, everybody? Thanks for tuning in this morning. I know it's a little early. It's about 7:40 a.m. before the pre-market opens here. Today is October 13th and it is Wednesday. But before we start the market off today, I had to fill y'all in on what's going on with ANY, Sphere 3D. Man, we just got some big news that just dropped on this company today. Seen some price action this morning before the pre-market, and I had to let y'all know on what's going on here. But before we jump into all that, all you new viewers out there, if you want to be in the know, just like we're doing here, gonna drop these videos before things actually start moving around. You gotta hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and be in the know every time I drop one of these, y'all. But let's go ahead and dive in here. I got four of the stocks up here on the charts like we normally do. These are kind of ones that I touched on yesterday, but we're gonna just focus on one stock today, and that's gonna be ANY, Sphere 3D. So let's go ahead and let's just kind of break it down on where we left off yesterday, right? So as you can see here on the daily, we closed at 703. You know what I'm saying? We came down a little lower than where we hit that high the day before, about 834 here. But as we break into the short-term chart here, we just had some big news where it made a massive move back up to another support level here. We broke through that resistance level, and we're now looking to hold this as support, give or take. Yeah, it came down a little bit below where I marked it, but we're still sitting around, on that 21-day moving average here. So we're gonna see exactly what the move is gonna be. Are we gonna push back higher, breaking through these all-time, or this high of 832, touching the all-time highs of around $12? I don't know, y'all. Let's find out what's going on though with the stock here. Let me go ahead and pull up the article. But man, I've been holding this stock so long. We already knew that they had a merger deal going on with Gryphon Digital, right? Well, today, 6 a.m., we just had a big article published, letting everybody know that they just announced that it has selected Core Scientific as its hosting partner for approximately 230 MW of carbon neutral Bitcoin mining hosting capacity. Core Scientific stated that this hosting agreement represents the single largest hosting services agreement in its history. The agreement demonstrates yet another step forward in Gryphon's goal to become the world's largest carbon neutral Bitcoin miner. Now, that's some big news already. They're trying to do it big. They're trying to be the main company that's taking on Bitcoin. We already know Bitcoin's the talk of the town right now, talk of the world, you know what I'm saying? We're starting to push back up to 60K. We're holding at 55K or so right now. We're looking to hit that 100K before the end of the year. We got everybody starting to mine on this Bitcoin here, opening up these things, buying machines, and it's just about to take off, y'all. But let's go ahead and continue here on the article. This landmark hosting agreement will provide Gryphon with capacity for an estimated 71,000 state-of-the-art Bitcoin mining machines, or 7.1 exahash of potential mining power, and a world-class partner to host the 60,000 Bitmain S19j Pro Antminer units, the purchase of which was previously announced by its partner in a pending merger, Sphere 3D Corp. Nasdaq ANY. As a result of this agreement, Gryphon logistically secures 6.7 exahash of combined hashing power, which would produce about 1,245 Bitcoin per month based on current difficulty rates. Now that's some big news there. The agreement features the installation of digital asset miners at Core Scientific state-of-the-art 100% net carbon neutral blockchain data centers over the course of 14 months. As part of the partnership, Core Scientific will provide Gryphon with its industry-leading digital mining fleet management and monitoring solution, Minder, data analytics, alerting, monitoring, and miner management services. Core Scientific's facilities offer 24/7 physical, security, and technical support operations, with teams available and able to attend to down units and perform repairs around the clock to deliver maximum uptime. So that's already a plus, as far as their efficiency within the organization there. Working with and hiring the best is a fundamental philosophy at Gryphon Digital Mining, and we could not have found a better hosting partner than Core Scientific. Core has a stellar reputation for being an enterprise-grade hosting services provider, and we are excited to work with a similar-minded blue-chip partner. This agreement unlocks the operational capacity for our post-merger company to operate approximately 6.7 exahash of hashing power, which would place us among the top publicly traded Bitcoin miners in the world, said Rob Chang, CEO of Gryphon Digital Mining. Of the world, y'all. Not of the city, not of the state, but of the world. You know, this is just some crazy news. We already knew this merger was going to go down. I mean, y'all can always check out the articles here. If you can look up on where this PRN Newswire is where this article was published at. And there's some other links on there also. It'll take you into what Gryphon Digital is all about. And as far as, you know, what they're looking to do here for this quarter, they're planning to complete the merger here this quarter, y'all. You know, any month, October, November, December, who knows? It's going to go down. When that news hits, we know the stock's going to take off. $45 price target still in mind. I'm just putting y'all in the know, y'all. This is the time to get on board if you aren't already on board. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. I've been holding this stock for months now, y'all, and we're really starting to look like we're going to be breaking out soon. As you can see here on the 30-minute, we have that all-time high coming down from these lows, you know, 566. We've already pushed all the way back up. Yeah, you know, we always trying to sell off these stocks. They got high short interest on here, but look, man, they do it and we push right back up. They sell us, we push right back up. They sell us, we push right back up. They can't hold us down. I mean, look at this daily, y'all. Look at this daily. Hit that all-time high, 1198. Yeah, a lot of resistance, but we're in that channel. You see this dotted dashed line here? This is the channel we're following, and we're still holding strongly in this channel here. So we did have that big pump. We're coming down, testing these levels again, pushed back up. Right now we're holding around right here, y'all. Look at the 4 hour here. See, this was that last support level right here. And this is where we're testing right now. Like, we broke through it this morning. We broke through it the other day. But with this news, we have the volume building in this stock as we speak. We have 5 million shares already being traded. And it's not even pre-market. 7:47 a.m. And we also got some other big movers going on today too, but I'll fill y'all in on those later. Right now, ANY, just the news itself, y'all. It's time to take off, y'all. So if you aren't already in, we're in. If you aren't already doubling up on some shares, I mean, try to get in while you can. Once we break out, who knows if we'll come back to these lows again, y'all. You know, Bitcoin's the future. A lot going on with Bitcoin right now. A lot of talk about it. And if they're gonna be number one at mining these things, you know, like, come on, y'all. It's a no-brainer, right? But we're testing that level now. They're trying to hold us under that support level or that resistance level here. But I really feel once the market opens, man, there's no holding us. We're going to break up. Chances of us breaking down, yeah, it could happen. But, man, that's some good news. And we haven't had good news published in a while, you know. Not only that, their merger's coming, y'all. It's coming. Whether it's this month, next month, I mean, I don't know when, but it's coming. They're going to complete it. Supposedly this quarter is what they said. And we can't wait, you know. It's exciting. It's all I can say, you know. I'm excited. You know, I'm not heavily invested in this, but hey, man, I've been following it, and it's fun to watch these things do what you predict it's gonna do. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of why I'm looking to see it push up, make a little money at the same time, you know. And I'm feeling good about this stock, y'all. ANY, Sphere 3D Corp, Gryphon Digital Mining. Check it out, y'all. The merger's coming. And they about to pop. We looking to hit these all-time highs, and we're gonna be breaking out here real soon, y'all. I mean, look at how bullish this chart is looking. We keep pushing up. Higher highs now, lower lows. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Let's get it. Let me know though if y'all liking the video here. Thumbs up, always appreciate it. I'm gonna be posting later on this afternoon. I'm gonna be back at it here in the market. Starting to see a little more upside in the, you know, green in the market here, so there's a lot more to talk about for me. But I appreciate everybody taking the time this morning, tuning in. Hopefully y'all are in the know, but check out the stock today as we start to make some of these moves and this volume starts to pile in, y'all. Hopefully we have a good week here on some of our favorite stocks, but we'll catch up again later today and we'll touch base on some of those also. Peace.